Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the BRRRR method explained step by step and how real estate investors use buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat to recycle capital and grow a rental property portfolio. First, the BRRRR method starts with buying the right property. The goal is usually to purchase an undervalued home below market value, often a property that needs repairs or improvements. Before buying, investors must run the numbers carefully, estimate the rehab cost, and understand the after-repair value, also called ARV. This is important because the success of the whole strategy depends on buying at the right price. Next, after purchasing the property, the investor moves to the rehab stage. Rehab means improving the property to increase its value and make it attractive to tenants. This can include fixing safety issues, updating key features, repairing damaged areas, painting, flooring, plumbing, electrical work, or other necessary upgrades. However, the rehab must stay on budget and timeline, because overspending can reduce profit and cash flow. After that, the next step is to rent the property. Once the home is ready, the investor looks for tenants and sets a market rent that supports the monthly expenses. This step is important because rental income helps create steady cash flow. At this stage, the investor should screen tenants carefully, sign a proper lease, collect the deposit, and make sure the rent can support the mortgage, taxes, insurance, maintenance, and reserves. Then comes the refinance stage. After the property value increases because of the improvements, the investor may refinance based on the new appraised value. In simple terms, refinancing means replacing the old loan with a new loan, usually based on the higher value of the improved property. If the numbers work, the investor may be able to recover some of the money originally invested while still keeping the property. For example, imagine an investor buys a property for $140,000 and spends $30,000 on rehab. That means the total invested amount is $170,000. After the renovation, the property may be worth $220,000. If the lender allows a refinance at 75% loan-to-value, the new loan could be around $165,000. After fees and payoff details, the investor may recover a large part of the original capital. Afterward, the final step is repeat. The investor uses the recycled money to buy another property and starts the process again. This is why the BRRRR method is popular. Instead of saving for a new down payment every time, investors try to reuse the same capital to grow faster. However, the method should only be repeated when the numbers work and the investor has enough cash reserves. Moreover, investors like BRRRR because it can help recycle capital, create rental income, benefit from property appreciation, and build equity over time. It can also help investors grow a rental portfolio faster than buying one property at a time with new savings only. But this does not mean the method is risk-free. There are several warning signs to understand. Rehab costs can be underestimated, vacancies or bad tenants can reduce cash flow, the appraisal may come in lower than expected, interest rates can rise, and lack of cash reserves can create financial stress. Also, if the investor overpays on the first purchase, the entire strategy may fail before it really begins. Therefore, before using the BRRRR method, investors should use a SMART checklist. Did I buy below market value? Is the rehab budget realistic? Does the rent support the payment and cash flow? Do the refinance terms make sense? And do I have emergency reserves available? These questions help protect the investor from making emotional or risky decisions. Finally, the BRRRR method works best when you buy right, manage rehab well, rent for solid cash flow, and refinance conservatively. The real goal is not just to buy many properties quickly. The goal is to recycle money without sacrificing cash flow, safety, or long-term financial stability. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.